Buenas, Three Brothers are roofing with another commercial roof leak repair inspection. Okay, so right here we are on commercial roof leak inspection, and so base is leaking along this front wall. So we have to go up to the roof and see why it's leaking. Base of the tenants is leaking on this like a front soffit. Okay, now we have to go up to the building, make our evaluation, and let's know the owner why it's leaking. Okay, so that's the front of the building, and it's leaking on the outside soffit, and it's leaking also on the inside. Okay, so now we are up on the commercial flat roof, and our inspection will begin now. So here we go with our inspection. And so we are right here with our inspection, and we can see like the cinder block is exposed to the weather. And other main problem is when they installed the rubber, they didn't bring it up the rubber up to the wall, so we can see like there is a hole, it go like right through. This is one of the main problems. So the solution, we have to basically, the solution is extend rubber from here, and we should bring it all the way up to the wall and go over the purple wall along the other walls. That will be the solution. Permanent solution. So either apply flashing cement along the front wall or install rubber will be the permanent solution for no more leaking long-term project. So we can see right here it has like a big gap. Three Brothers are roofing on commercial roof leak evaluation, and based on our inspection, the rubber has to be extended up to the purple wall. And as usual, Three Brothers are roofing provide 2 years labor guarantee on commercial and residential roof leak repair. So that's it for today, boys. See you guys next time. Chop chop.